So if we're going to change values in a list, again, we're going to use the index to refer to a specific slot in that list. So in this case, I'm saying fruit index 2, or AR fruit index 2, is now equal to watermelon. So I'm using assignment to put the string watermelon in that slot. And then if I print this out, my new array looks like this. So if I want to do that here, right, let's get rid of these. So I can say li fruit, and I'll say slot 2 equals watermelon. And then if I print that, li fruit, you can see now that it has watermelon in that slot. So it's pretty easy. Once you get the hang of the index and the counting starting from 0, it's pretty easy to copy information out, to add information, to change information. So that is how we change information. We use the index and assignment. So we'd say AR fruit, spot 2 equals watermelon.